Hey everybody, big welcome back. Today I got a little bit of news for what's going to be happening with the 1975 MG Midget, which I'll give you a quick overview in case you've never seen my car before. This is it, 1975, but changed over to the chrome bumpers to make her look like a older one. Actually, let's rewind time, not go forward. And here we are, it is now winter. So it's not really MG Midget season, so we had to come up with what we're going to do. Which, guess what? Got a couple of these to get us started. Off of Amazon, this is exciting. We're not quite ready yet, but this is Vivid Vinyl. We're going to wrap the car in Miami Teal. This is... two rolls, just kind of what they had on Amazon. They are 6-foot rolls, 6 foot by 5 foot. I'm probably going to need one more to do the car. Maybe two more, I'm not really sure. And this will only be the second time I've ever wrapped a car. But I think I'm up for the challenge. So today I washed the car. Still a little bit wet, and then basically as you're wrapping, you kind of use a lint-free cloth or tack cloth to get all the dust off the surface. And yeah, now some people might say, people that have been watching my videos, well, the body looks good, why would you wrap it? Because I just painted it last winter, and there's actually a reason for that, is that it's just not quite as shiny as I wanted. Like, I mean, it came out okay, for a first timer, I think. Overall, the body work went pretty good. I'm no pro, as in, like, really, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but good enough. So this is just kind of an update for what is going to be upcoming. Basically, there's a couple things I had to do first, though. One was insulate the panels on my garage, because last year when I was trying to work on this car in here, even with the heater, this was an uninsulated garage door, so I still got to get another one for the top. But it's cold as fuck in here, and I don't want to freeze my balls off the whole time, so I got a heater there, not on right now because I'm not going to be working in here, but I'm thinking I'm going to get a buddy heater, which is propane, but I think it's safe. You can use it in like a garage and shit. So I'm probably going to do that. And I would say within the next few days, maybe a week on the far end of things, we're going to go ahead and start the project. Now, it will be, I might do a couple of videos, like, working on it, whatever, little 20-30 minute videos. And then I'll probably do at the end one full video of the whole thing. You know what I mean? Like trying to put it all together and make one long video. But what a fun little car. It's sad that it's winter and I won't be able to enjoy it now for a while. So we got that going on. And then I may try my luck at pulling the engine out at some point. But I got to get the engine out of my bike first. I wanted to rebuild the engine on the bike. And so, yeah, I got lots of time. It's the beginning of December right now. So obviously, we've still got several months of winter, so I got plenty of time to do it. And yeah, looking forward to it. So hopefully some of you guys will join me in this adventure. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And I don't know, if you want to hit that bell thing, then you'll get an update for when I upload. And we'll see you guys soon. Also, just wanted to apologize. I haven't really been putting out much content lately, but just been busy with work and life. So I haven't had much play time. But we are going to make time and get this bitch wrapped up. Miami Teal. It's going to look sick. And if you're curious what that looks like, if you Google Miami Teal MG, there's actually a couple of them on there, so you can basically see what the car is going to look like. Or I might just do it as a thumbnail, who knows. But all right, guys, I will see you later. Thanks for watching.